Hi, this is Lillian Russell, and I'm going to show you how I add layers and text to my dog. So I am going to go to Layer and do a new layer. I am going to label this with background, click OK, and then I have it over here highlighted. I'm going to get rid of Huxley for a second, and I'm going to come over here, and I would like to make it let's do kind of a purpley background because he's bright. So I have filled in my background, so now I'm going to show Huxley again, but you can see that Huxley is behind, so I'm going to move Huxley in front. Then I'm going to have this layer selected, and I am going to scale this layer, and I'm going to scale it. I'm going to take it down to 80% to scale, and that way I can still see him, and then I can move him over. Then I'm going to add a new layer, and I'm going to add this for, actually no, I'm going to add text to this. So I would like to do text down here, and I'm going to change the color and do something darker. Let's do like a darker purple, close to black. And then here I am going to write Huxley Purple. And I have formed a new layer over here. And now I have Huxley, my text, and my background into one. And I've already done this with the first one. I did Flower Market in Charlotte and changed the font over on the side and added in my picture for my flowers.